So hi and welcome to our show, the Automobile Review. The editor is Bhushan Nikam and the cameraman with the Praveen Nikam. Our show or the documentary show is you can see it on the YouTube videos. And this show is specially for the Indian peoples, those are going to purchase or the new vehicles. So, but now today I am going to introduce you a very old, the Commander one, the Mahindra's Commander vehicle, which is produced in the. So the second thing is related about the suspension of this oldest Commander. So the suspension is majorly a telescopic suspension in the front side, or you can say in the back side also, which is the tilted one. And another there is supporting type, that means the spring suspension. So can we have camera please? So you can see here the lip spring suspension is there. These are the leaf spring which are having the plates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 springs are there, which is located at all the wheels. In the front side is also there, and in the in front side. So telescopic suspension is also there. So you can see here the telescopic suspension is there. So it is mostly is the welded one, oldest one. So it is not much more right now. It is on the working condition. So you can look at this frame body structure is also there. So frame is the very strongest one made up of the cast iron. We all know that the cast iron is having the very high compressive strength, and also it is not also there is painting is also there at that time. So right now the painting is gone, and the painting due to that color is gone. It is corrodable one. So this is used for this. Look at the now how the power transmission takes place. So the power transmission is through that engine. You can look at that there is one engine is there on that side. From that engine, the power is transmitted to our gearbox. So the gearbox is located at here. Synchronous gearbox is used at that time. So after the synchronous gearbox, the power is transmitted to the universal coupling. That means hooks joint is there. So this is the hooks joint is this. There is one clutch is also there. Single plate clutch is used for the for these purposes, because we know that the single plate clutch is mostly useful at the for the higher power transmission. So here is the universal coupling is there, so it can minimizes the thrust too. This joint is useful for the various at the time of taking turn, so it can go in the outside inside. So this is the power transfer propeller shaft, you can say. So this chain actually is used whenever there is a breakage of this propeller shaft takes place. So at the time of breakage, you can it can be lifted over here, and so the it cannot go to that wheel, so that accident might be taken occurs. So we have this gearbox. So you can look at this gearbox. So gearbox is having differential gearbox one. So you know the purpose behind to make this documentary about this the oldest Mahindra Commander is to know about all the automobile engineers, that how the oldest things are there, that how the engineers are getting aesthetics, ergonomics, design consideration, how that people's that oldest engineers consider at that time. So it can be helpful for our mechanical engineers, automobile engineers nowadays, for making the robust and the very strength, the design parameters to be considered for a particular vehicle, so that we can make very high precisable, very high aesthetics aerodynamically considered vehicle. In the last want to say that if you regarding any help about the automobile field, information regarding the automobile field, automobile cars, various companies, you can contact me. My email ID is nikambb007@gmail.com. The mechanical engineering student from Pune University in the final year. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thanks.